Mastering webhooks in Konnectify. Capturing data is easy, but acting on it and responding instantly is where most workflows fall short. That's where webhooks help your apps communicate instantly by sending data the moment an event happens. Let's start with Catchhook. We get the unique webhook endpoint, copy this and paste in the fresh desk. Now let's do test webhook. We receive the data from the fresh desk via webhook endpoint. Now the webhook endpoint is ready. We'll set the Slack configuration. Now, when a new ticket is created in Freshdesk, the webhook receives the ticket information instantly. Simple and effective, perfect for receiving instantly. But what if we could get the response as well? Here comes SyncHook. Let's take a different example. An order system sends an order ID to our webhook. Our workflow receives this data and checks the order status in Google Sheets. Test this webhook endpoint. We receive the data, then configure the Google Sheets where we will find the status of order ID. Now let's add the response node. We create a new response field here. Add the field name. Map the order status from Google Sheet. The order ID is received by the webhook and processed. But here's the difference. We check the order status in Google Sheets and send the response back instantly. From simple notifications to complete two-way workflows, webhooks and Konnectify make it seamless.